Here I've got Wileyfox Spark Plus, and let me show you how to block a number, how to block a contact on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then select the contact that you would like to block. So in my case it's this one. Then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in upper corner. And then you will notice the last icon, which is block. So simply click over here. Now you have to confirm that you would like to block this number because you will no longer receive calls or messages from this person, from this number. Click on block to block this one, and from now on you are free from this number. If you would like to unblock it, if you would like to receive some calls and messages from this number, simply click on the more icon one more time and tap on unblock. Confirm that you would like to unblock, and from now on this number will be able to reach you. So actually that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.